Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thor in Marvel Rivals. Thor is a powerful brawler, best utilized in close-quarters combat. His primary attack, Mjolnir's Might, delivers substantial area of effect damage to nearby enemies. For targets at a distance, you can effectively use his hammer throw ability. Remember to manage your cooldowns to maintain consistent pressure on opponents. Mastering these fundamental skills will significantly improve your gameplay with the God of Thunder. Thor's Thunderclap ability is excellent for crowd control, stunning enemies within a small radius, setting them up for follow-up attacks. His Lightning Strike calls down a powerful bolt, dealing high damage to a single target or a small group. A great combo involves stunning with Thunderclap, then immediately following with a Lightning Strike and a few Mjolnir swings. Practice these combinations to maximize your damage output and control the battlefield effectively. Effective positioning is crucial for Thor. You should aim to maintain a strong front-line presence, absorbing damage and protecting your teammates. Always utilize available cover to reduce incoming damage during engagements. Thor's ultimate ability, Bifrost Blast, is a game changer, creating a powerful area that damages and displaces enemies. Deploy it strategically to disrupt enemy formations or secure key objectives. Timing is everything for maximum impact. For advanced play, prioritize high-value targets such as enemy healers or damage dealers to quickly turn the tide of battle. Always coordinate your Bifrost Blast ultimate with your team's abilities for devastating synergy, creating openings for your allies. Remember, Thor is a team player, and communication is key to victory. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be wielding Mjolnir like a true Avenger in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.